Hey guys, Chris here with Z Grills. Super excited to see you here. And we're going to be taking a look today at how to prepare an appetizer that's incredible for parties or if you're having guests over. And the best part about this is that it's super easy to make. Actually, that's not the best part. The best part is what it is. It's smoked bacon salmon bite. So we're going to start with, we need skinless salmon fillets. You might get 2 to 4 fillets. With about 2 fillets, you'll need 10 strips of bacon. So we're doing bacon. It's thin cut bacon, not the thick cut, but rather as thin as possible. And then you're going to need some salt and pepper, some parsley, and some skewers, and then you can go to work. So let's take a look at how this is done. First, once you've got your salmon fillets laid out, we're going to season the salmon fillets, and we can do that just with the salt and pepper here. So we'll get some pepper going, some little pepper action. People are going to love you for these. So little pepper, little salt. And once you got that going, then we can go to work. What we want to do next is cut the salmon into either 1 inch to 1.5 inch cubes. Typically with a salmon fillet like this, you might get 4 or 5 out of this. So let's take a look at this here. We got 1, 2. Then we want to roll it in the bacon. And depending on the length of the bacon, you may cut the bacon in half or leave it the size that it is. Get that bacon nice and wrapped nice and tight. See where. There you go. When we stick these on, real simple. I like to find the loose end of the bacon so it sticks it together really nice. You might get 3 or 4 of these on a single skewer. Last skewer ready. And now we're ready to go. We just got to take these outside, throw them on the grill. Okay guys, now we've been preheating the grill at 225, so now it's time to throw these on and get the cooking going. So you can leave these on for anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes depending on your preference. Okay, so we just got these off the grill. Now all that's left is a little garnish. So we got our parsley here, and boy, they look beautiful. All right, so once we got the garnish on there, and then we can take these skewers out, and these guys are ready to serve. Oh, that is so good.